Hello, we are in Tenerife today. So I'm staying in a village called Chayofa. So this is like a southern part of Tenerife. I'm trying to explore as much as I can. I'm trying to rent a bike first. So as you can see, this is the beautiful village of Chayofa. I was not able to rent a bike, so I decided to board a cab. It's magnificent. Just boarded the cab. Say hi to my cab driver. What is his name?
Matthias.
Yes.
Playa Faneve is one of the most centric parts of Costa Rica.
Oh, nice.
You'll have a bit of everything. Restaurants, you have a nice beach, nice places to see.
Wow, that's beautiful. What a way to start my day one in Tenerife. Okay, so we are here in the restaurant, going to see what we're gonna order. Beginning off with some orange juice for all the detox I needed. Hi, so we're going to market.
Yeah.
It's Costa Adige. Say hi to my new friends.
Yes.
Hi. They took me to this Adige market that happens every Thursdays and Saturdays from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. It's a popular market and a lot of people try to come first because it gets sold out really fast. So we are heading to a beach next. You can see a lot of these small stone towers here. So people come here, usually tourists come here and wish for something and then build a stone tower. But recently I read that these stone towers have become a threat to the flora and fauna. So environmentalists are actively trying to clear up these stones, and the government suggests people not to do it anymore. And this black statue is for Javier Perez Ramos. He saved the life of another person who was drowning, and he gave his own life. The community pays respect or tribute to him by building a bronze statue for him. So people come here, usually have a look and pay their respects to him. Once my friends dropped me, I started walking down the coast of southern Tenerife. So this is Plaza del Duque. It's a famous shopping center. You'll find a lot of stuff to purchase, clothing, jewelry, a lot of other stuff to purchase here. Looking at this reminds me of this saying: you give a man a fish and then you feed him for a day. You teach a man how to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. I guess you can see that's what's happening here. It breaks my heart to see him struggling to walk there. I wish I could help, but I don't know fishing. I should learn someday probably. But really respect this man's commitment and dedication. After walking for almost 2 to 3 hours, I finally decided to go back home. It was beautiful, sun shining on one side and then it was also raining on the other. And we are back to the place where we started this morning. It looks really beautiful.